Hello, everyone. Today I want to share a beautiful teaching from our beloved Prophet Muhammad. Peace be upon him. He said, "The best among you are those who have the best manners and character." Let's discover what this special message means and why it's so important for all of us. Think about your favorite superhero or someone you really look up to. What makes them special? Is it their super strength or magical powers? Well, our prophet taught us that what really makes someone special is how kind and good they are to others. Having good manners and character means being helpful, respectful, and treating everyone with kindness. Let me tell you about Ishal, a young girl in 3rd grade. One day she noticed a new student named Adam who was sitting alone during lunchtime. He looked sad and nervous because he didn't know anyone yet. Some kids were whispering and pointing at his different-looking lunchbox, but Ishal remembered the Prophet's teaching about good character. She walked over to Adam, gave him a friendly smile, and asked if she could sit with him. Ishal and Adam started talking about their favorite games and books. Soon, other children joined them, and Adam wasn't lonely anymore. Ishal's simple act of kindness made a big difference in Adam's day. She showed good character by being friendly and welcoming, just like our Prophet taught us. Because of Ishal's good manners, Adam felt happy and made new friends. This is exactly what the Prophet meant when he said the best people are those with the best manners and character. It's not about having the most toys, being the fastest runner, or getting the highest grades. It's about how we treat others, how we make them feel, and the kindness we show every day. When we're helpful, honest, and kind, we become better people and make the world a better place.